Cryptocom NFT pricing explained what you get for your money. Cryptocom has quickly become one of the most popular platforms for NFTs, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's expensive and complicated to use. The surprising truth is Cryptocom NFT offers a straightforward pricing model that benefits both creators and collectors. On Cryptocom NFT, every sale carries a 1% platform fee for the seller. This is significantly lower than many other marketplaces, making it attractive for artists looking to maximize earnings. Creators can also set royalties, typically around 10%, which are automatically enforced on all secondary sales, ensuring ongoing income whenever their NFT changes hands. Minting NFTs is simple, with options for both free and paid minting depending on the blockchain chosen. Cryptocom supports Ethereum and Chronos, and the platform sometimes covers gas fees for certain drops, which makes it more accessible for newcomers. Buyers should note that gas fees can still apply when using Ethereum, especially during periods of network congestion. Platform accepts multiple wallets including Cryptocom NFT wallet and MetaMask, and allows payments in both fiat and cryptocurrency. NFT drops are often curated and sometimes timed, giving collectors the chance to access limited editions from top artists. Analytics and trending lists make it easier to track high-demand NFTs and understand market trends. In conclusion, Cryptocom NFT balances low fees, easy minting, and robust creator royalties, making it a user-friendly marketplace for both beginners and seasoned collectors. Understanding the 1% platform fee, optional royalties, and potential gas costs helps you make smart decisions and get the most value from your purchases. If you want a reliable, affordable, and transparent NFT platform, Cryptocom NFT is a top choice.